So welcome students. So in this question you're given that z bar plus I omega bar is equal to 0 and argument of z omega is equal to pi. In that case, what is the argument of z? That's the question. So in this question there are two unknowns, z and omega. So let us say that argument of z is equal to theta, argument of omega is equal to alpha. So let us take these two as the unknowns. Now according to the first equation, if you apply bar again, so you have z bar plus I omega bar whole bar is equal to 0 bar. This implies z bar whole bar is z, I bar is minus I, omega is equal to 0. So this implies z is equal to I omega. This implies argument of z is equal to argument of I omega, that is equal to argument of I plus argument of omega. This implies argument of z, which I assume it as theta, is equal to argument of I is nothing but pi by 2 plus argument of omega is alpha. So this implies theta minus alpha is equal to pi by 2. This is one equation that is obtained from the first information. Let us go to the second information. Argument of z omega is equal to pi. This implies argument of z plus argument of omega is equal to pi, right? Because argument of z1, z2 is argument of z1 plus argument of z2. This implies theta plus alpha is equal to pi. So that be the second equation. Theta plus alpha is equal to pi. Now you are asked to find argument of z, that is you are asked to find theta. So let us try to eliminate alpha from this. If you add these two, you get 2 theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. So theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.